make you no go lose yourself, no go stress yourself, cause no be you get yourself. Oh Lord, say now you go forgive me peace, everything.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for the waterfalls trip. I don't know if it's called the Bury Waterfalls. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but it is like 6 something in the morning, and I am so tired. I got like probably about 3 hours of sleep last night because I went to another event last night. So I'm just like so hellified tired, and I have to go to Keswa to catch the bus. But I'm really excited what's gonna go on today. But I'm probably going to be sleeping in the bus to catch on some sleep. But I know today is gonna be a bomb day. We're gonna chill, have some fun. We're gonna be by the waterfalls, just enjoying each other's company. And this is gonna be my first time, guys, going to this waterfall. So I'm really excited, and you guys are going to be coming with me. So stay tuned.
Are you guys excited for the trip? Woo! That's right, we're gonna have some fun today, aren't we?
Ghana 2020.
That's right.
Thank God Almighty, I'm free at last.
Hey, are you excited to go to the, where are we going?
We are going to Bati Falls.
Bati
What's
Falls?
taking
Yes,
place?
if I'm saying it correctly. Oh my gosh, she's excited. This is my new sis, guys.
Hey guys, how are you? I'm super excited. I love water and I like hiking, so I'm excited.
We're gonna have fun, guys.
See you soon.
From the Caribbean who were brought in to come and help with the missionary effort. So when you find that a lot of our brethren are returning to this area, it is not merely holistic or spiritual. It is a destiny that they've had to fulfill. It is no wonder that they've come back here.
This is my aunt from the UK. Wow, I love her so
darlings. Oh my gosh, it's so good to be here with my niece. She is so wonderful. I know you can catch her on YouTube, people, so I'll leave her to tell you exactly where.
Oh my gosh, I just love her. This is my aunt from the UK, Corinne.
My sisters.
Hey everyone, my name is Naya. I'm from the United States and I am loving Ghana. This is home, this is peace, this is joy. Oh, I'm having a ball. Yes,
that's right.
My sisters. Hey, I am Inchide Kakamo. 3 weeks. I've been back at home and I'm loving it and I'm not going anywhere. We're here at Waterfall Falls. And this is home.
That's right.
Mommy Wata, we love you.
We love you.
Yes. Ghana 2020, Waterfall.
Straight from Cali. That's right. Cali in the house. How are you loving it here?
I love it in Ghana. It is so
Quava, that's
Channel
right.
is called Word Sound is Power. Check us out.
Word, sound, and power?
Word sound is power. Meaning your words have the power to condemn, but they also have the power to uplift. So be careful of your words.
That's right.
We say word sound is power, coming to you with truth and right, talking about repatriation, talking about vegan living, just talking about natural life.
Wow. So I just want to get your channel name right. It's called Word
Sound is Power.
Word, sound is power.
Yeah, and I'm going to open up my new vegan restaurant. It's from Cali. It's called Sisters Vegan. I've had it for about 14 years. I'm trying to open it in Ghana. So hopefully within the next 6 months, you'll see me out there putting out good quality food for your people.
How are you liking it here, Brother Yehoshua?
It's simply beautiful, serene. It's to be in a space where it's just peaceful. And the mere fact that the water is just power, but it's peaceful power. And the beauty of what our mother nature is doing for us. I mean, this is just a wonderful space to be at, you know?
Right.
And just the atmosphere with the people communing together. Some people you know, some people you just meeting. And just this powerful, peaceful space is unique. And I think that's the overall spirit of us Africans in our rawest sense. Powerful, peaceful people in a powerful, peaceful land.
That's right. That's what it's all about. That's just being in tune with nature, because we're one with nature as Black people, melanated people. We're connected with nature.
Absolutely. And matter of fact, we thrive when we're in this space where we got that natural vitamin D from the sun. We got the nature. You can't help but heal and to elevate in this kind of environment.
That's
but
right.
I love it.
Ah, that's right, brother. That's right, Brother Yehoshua. We made it.